Hey, what's going on guys? Watch Review here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change the battery on a G-Shock. Now, if any of you have a different watch than me, that really wouldn't matter because almost all G-Shocks are built the same, or they are extremely similar. One very important thing before we begin is to make sure you watch the whole video, because there are certain things that you have to do in order to prevent error codes and potential water damage. So what you are going to need is a screwdriver with small bits, a pair of tweezers, and of course your battery. If you haven't already taken the liberty to look through the manual, mostly written in Japanese by the way, to find what battery you need, I have already taken the liberty and put together a list of batteries that are for the most popular G-Shocks. But anyways, let's get started. The first thing you have to do is take off the 4 screws that hold down the back plate. The next step is to remove the plastic cover carefully. Now after that, you can unhook the battery cage. Now just be careful though, because there are a lot of small parts that can be broken easily. Now you can swap the batteries. Once you have your battery in, you want to press down on the cage till you hear a click. Now this next part is very important. Before you put your watch back together, you want to take your tweezers and hold it to the battery for 3 seconds. And doing this will hard reset your battery and prevent you from having an error code flash TYO. After that, you can put the plastic cover back on, but make sure that you align it correctly. If you don't line this up correctly, some of your buttons will not work. This is very tedious, so take your time. Before you can put on the back plate, you want to make sure that this rubber gasket is in place. If it's not in place, your watch is not waterproof. Now you can put on the back plate. I hope I was helpful to you guys. If so, please hit that subscribe and like button. It really helps out the channel. And if you need any further help, please comment below. Anyways, thanks again for watching. This has been Watch Review. Peace.